Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cake bread at home. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a loaf pan with parchment or a light coat of oil. Combine dry ingredients, cream, butter, and sugar, then add eggs and milk until smooth. Fold batter gently and pour into the pan. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool before slicing for best texture and flavor. Gather your ingredients and set them out so everything is at room temperature for easier mixing. Measure flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, butter, eggs, and milk with a scale or cups for consistency. Sift the dry ingredients together to remove lumps and aerate the mix. Cream butter and sugar until pale, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate adding dry mix and milk for an even batter without overmixing. After mixing, avoid overworking the batter to keep the texture light and tender. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan, tapping gently to remove large air pockets and smooth the surface with a spatula. Place the pan on the middle rack and bake at 350 degrees F, rotating if your oven runs hot. Use a toothpick inserted in the center to check doneness. It should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.